with the link in the description. Sunjo SPX3001 2030 PSI 1.76 GPM 14.5 AMP electric pressure washer with hose reel, green. Powerful motor, powerful 14. 5 amp 1800 watt motor generates up to 2030 PSI 1. 76 GPM for maximum cleaning power. Quick Connect spray tips, 5 Quick Connect spray tips 0. 15. 25. 40. And soap tackle light, medium and heavy duty cleaning tasks. Onboard reel. Onboard reel keeps 20 feet. 6 meters high pressure hose organized for quick and easy cleanup and storage. TSS total stop system automatically shuts off pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. Detergent tank, extra large onboard 40. 6 fluid ounces. 1. 2L detergent tank. Water inlet temperature, max 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Pressure, max rating per PSI test standards. Maximum internal pressure is 2030 PSI. Under typical load, working pressure is 1450 PSI. Get a great offer on this product with the link in the description.